Hey, GGO Woodturning here, and I know it's been forever since we saw a video, but I've been travelling and getting my workshop in order and whatnot. But today, two cool things came in the mail. One from Simone Giertz. Simone Giertz. Thank you for your shitty greetings card. And I'll find inside that is scribbles from a robot. Haha, wonderful. All good. Love the shittiness. What is not shitty is my quarterly maker box that's just arrived. And if we don't have it open this up, now, as a maker, I'm a big fan of a certain gentleman by the name of Adam Savage, and it's my understanding that he put together this box. So it comes of no surprise that the first surprise is actually a freaking awesome cutting board. We've got, well, yeah, it's all in freaking inches, but yeah, can't blame the Americans for not keeping up with things. There are some vague sort of centimetre-like measurements on one side, but this is nice. Savage Industries, skookum as fuck, thick ass centering roller cutting board. I love it. Okay, what else? What else have we got? Cardboard. Cardboard's always useful. Thank you. We have a book. Oh, Adam Savage's sketchbook, 84 to 2017. Oh, beautiful thing. Oh, yes. Oh, that's awesome. Get inside the mind of the man. Oh, I'm a happy camper already, I tell you. More cardboard. Woohoo! What else we got? An Alpha knife. I've heard good things about Alpha blades anyway, so it also looks pretty skookum. Yes. It's got metal pick at the back, doing whatever it needs to be done. Yep, alright, happy with that, very happy with that. Dual temp glue gun for an all-purpose bond. Okay, so dual temp glue gun is good, but I worry this might be ready for the US of A, not for us Australians, in that the voltage requirements entirely possibly, what is it, 120 those guys use over there? Gee, well, it might just heat up quicker. I'll have to open that up, have a look, see if it's of any use here. Otherwise, yeah, not really sure what we do with that. Alright. Cardboardy packing materials. Magic rub. That sounds more like some tobacco would be shoving up my nose. And what are these? What have we got here? Papermate Sharpwriter number 2. I'm guessing these are mechanical pencils. And an eraser. That means that they go with a Savage Industries blank notebook. Oh, that's nice too. Not sure what scale. Looks like it's about 5mm. 5mm graph. And let's see. Alright, hang on. How does one use this pencil? I'm going to sound really stupid here, but I was expecting a clicky-me-clicky thing. Click, click, focus, there we go. but there's no click click. How am I meant to write with it? Does it rotate? No. Does this rotate? Ah, yes. Seems to be some rotational here. That's not doing shit. I'll figure that out. And it's not like they won't work. I'm sure they'll work. I just have to have a look at them with more than one hand. Okay. So, happiness here is happiness. Okay. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Grid ruler. More Americanisms. 12 of the inches. 12 inches. That'll be a 1 foot. And pretty close to my foot too. Does say it has some centimeters on it, so yeah, we'll figure out a way to use that. Aha. Another load of some good old hot glue sticks. Excellent, always useful. And this is just a busy little tape measure here. Now, tape measures are always useful, don't get me wrong. And I'm sure this one's not too shitty. It's just a little cloth tape measure. Good size to have in your pocket. Locks and releases. But really, I mean, this is the sort of thing you get in your Christmas crackers. In the commercial catalogues for the corporate events, you pick your product and put your logo on it and give it away. Look, useful. As likely to go in the wife's sewing kit as anything. All right. Nice little tool baggy pencil casey thing. Feels like it's just a canvas. Could be useful for keeping a few things in. We'll see. And what have we got here? Alrighty. The Savage Maker Box. Greetings, subscribers. Welcome to the Savage Maker Box, curated by Adam Savage of Mythbusters and Tested.com. Solve the puzzle below and replace solution at the end of the URL with the correct answer to find your Savage Makerbox video from Adam. Okay. There you go. Hey, they even want videos to be tagged. I'll pop this video up somewhere. Hashtag Savage Makerbox. We'll figure out that sketch later. Throw that over there. Say hello to Gur. Say hello, Gur. This is Gur. Gur is a robot. Gur is our kitchen robot. Gur. And here we have a how to draw essay. Interesting. Okay, so this is a bit of writing from Adam by the looks of it. Something to read. So I can sort of draw. It's always nice to read someone else's perspective on the matter. This is cardboard. Laser cut cardboard. But cardboard. I don't know what this is. I'm guessing it's cardboard in a bag. Minus instructions. Yeah, let's see what else is underneath. Lots of packing material. A little bit too much packing material. And that's it. Oh, hang on. Hiding away here. A schematic with notes. Focus, you fuck. This is Adam's toolbox. What a beast. That is indeed beast of a toolbox. Really rough unboxing video here, all one-handed. Shit. Well, it's better than packing peanuts, I guess. I don't think there's anything else down in there. Nope. Okay, so the verdict. Was this worth 100 American dollar used? Which, seriously, in Australian dollars at the moment is, let's just say, not pretty. Yeah, and will I continue my subscription for the next one? Novelty factor? 9 out of 10. Alright, it's pretty cool to have some bits and pieces that have been curated by Adam. Look, any maker worth their salt is going to have a utility knife already. There's nothing really much fun or unique about that. This is, by all descriptions, a pretty good one. So, yeah, replace one of my crusty old ones. Dual temp hot glue gun. I've got a couple already, not dual temp ones, which could be useful. However, that said, it may not even work on my voltage, so yeah, that might be a bit of extraneous packing. The book is good value. It's just sketches, no notes or anything other than what he had on the sketches, which is a bit of a shame. Would have been nice to have had some sort of commentary, I suppose, involved in the book. Even there is a bit of a prefix here, so that's good. So the book and the plans, yeah, look, they're pretty cool. And this cutting mat is freaking awesome, but I'm not seeing the value. Hate to say it, Adam, but I mean, I don't know dollar for dollar how it all actually adds up, but I think somebody's making a pretty penny from these, and you know, it's more of a fan thing to go and get this. That said, will I let my next month's subscription come through? Yeah, well, look, I could always cross my fingers and hope that there's something cool in it, like a multi-tool or something, I guess. Anyway, that's it. That's my Savage MakerBox unboxing. Oh, fuck, 13 minutes of me babbling on. I guess the next video you want to see from me will be to me turning something again, so stay tuned. More wood turning videos are to come. I promise. I have been doing some turning. I've just been lazy as fuck and haven't actually uploaded anything. That's all. See you all.